Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a brand new, well-designed 5-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. So let's begin by taking a look at the parking area and first level. Let's go! So this property has 3 levels and a carport area for 3 vehicles. Key items that I have observed here are, number 1, it's completely covered. So if you're very particular about the maintenance of your cars and that they're not exposed at all, this is a great find. And even the gate design is also very thick, as you can see, so that gives you a lot of privacy. The panels here. And then this house is just about to finish construction, so there's still a few items. For example, there's a provision here for a wall light. But you can see right now, it's very well designed and such a refreshing sight having this landscaped area with maki plants and different types of plants. And here you have your main door. Now welcome to your beautiful home. So this property has 1 room at the ground level, and then 3 rooms at the 2nd level, and then a 5th room at the 3rd level. And you see right now you have your living and dining space right here. And what you have here are the inclusions in this house, which just got delivered. This is a Samsung washer and dryer. So these are already free included with the property. Okay, and then you have indirect lighting running all along the length of the living and dining space. And then you have a powder room right here, very conveniently positioned for your guests. I like how spacious it is. There's even room here for like a decorative piece. And then on this side, you have a sliding door if you want more ventilation. And then another thing I'd like to point out is you have accordion screens already. So they hide very conveniently away. And right here you have your modern kitchen. It's already fully equipped with quality appliances from an LG refrigerator, double door. We still have the cover right here. And then you have an Elba branded oven and microwave, stainless steel sink, an Elba induction hob, an Elba range hood, and a nice splash tile here, which complements the countertop design as well. The aesthetic is very elegant. And right here you have the first room in the house. So the rooms already have a split type air conditioning unit included, storage as well, and an ensuite bathroom. And then here's another auxiliary space, and you have an additional cooktop right here on top of the induction hob. And out here, you have a landscape area. Actually, you can see the size of the space. If you want to maximize this, you can actually even, after purchasing the home, potentially clear this out and make this an additional amenity space. But right now, it's already a very refreshing view of greenery. Okay. And then you have the staff bathroom here. And then the staff room is right here. Just currently has a lot of materials, but it can fit one person. And for orientation's sake, you can walk all around the house towards the parking from here. And you already have your CCTV cameras installed. And then this is access to the cistern. Now the washer dryer is going to be positioned right there at the back also, because that area is completely covered. And now let's head on up towards the second level. You have a very sturdy railing here with a tempered glass barrier. I like how modern it looks in terms of how it's secured. Natural wood for the stairs. And let's take a look at the bedrooms. So what's nice is this room has the potential to be the primary bedroom, because you have a couple of rooms here that can be the master bedroom. This is one of them. You have a walk-in closet space. And an ensuite bathroom with indirect lighting. As I pointed out before, you already have your split type air conditioning unit, and it also has the screens, the accordion screens. Well-lit hallway as well. And here you have your third bedroom. What's nice about how the design was maximized is that every room has a significant size. You can have even a king-sized bed for this room. And I love the height of the doors. For reference, I'm about 5'10". And then you already have storage right here. Now we have your fourth bedroom. It's a corner room. And once again, this is another room which can be a master bedroom. Why? Because of the size, and once again, it has its own walk-in closet space right here. And even a dresser area. And it has its own ensuite bathroom. Now this is a great design because instead of having just one massive room and then having a lot of significantly smaller rooms, you have about 4 bedrooms out of the 5 that have truly significant size, which is great especially if you have grown children or siblings who are staying with you. Okay, time to take a look at the 3rd level where you have your 5th bedroom. Your staircase space is well lit here. So it's maximized by having these windows, so this has so much natural light in the daytime. And once again, you have the 5th bedroom, which once again can be a primary bedroom because of the size. You have a walk-in closet space here. Another great idea for this is this can be a family den space, because you can imagine this being a movie room with a couch on this side. Imagine an L-shaped couch and then a large TV here, and maybe even a small refrigerator here for snacks, and then an ensuite bathroom. So this is a great place also to entertain guests potentially. And that caps off our quick house tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at MetroGuideRealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.